back, everybody. I'm going to take a little walk to a train bridge that we used to go to back when I was 18, 19. We used to drive down the tracks in our Toyotas. The wheelbase fit the tracks. I don't think you can do it now. There's like all them trees grew up over 30 years. So we'll take a little walk down here and check out the bridge. It's not real big. It's only 10 feet across, but it just crosses a little stream. Thought it would make an interesting picture. We'll see how it goes. Pretty cloudy today. It was a little sunnier a little earlier, and it's clouded up, so keep the contrast down anyway. And I'll see when we get there, see what we can find. Catch you in a bit. Alright, we made it. I'm going to check out the area for a little bit, see if we can find a composition or two. KEH is a little slow. I got more film holders on the way, but I don't even think they shipped yet. So I got 4 sheets of film, which is fine because I can only develop 3 to 4 at a time anyway, so I'll see what I can find. Check this out. I even got trees growing through the old bridge and a little bit of water it crosses. I'll catch you when I'm all set up. Alright, all set up here. Test fired the shutter. I'm going to shoot it at f/32. Seems to be the sweet spot for this lens. Haven't had any trouble with it being sharp, even at f/22, but f/32 seems to be what it likes best. So we'll take the picture and see if we can find another composition. Anybody that's wandered around in the woods, I'm sure you've seen Ben Horn's video. Got some mylar balloon. Pick them up when you see them and throw them out when you get home. Alright, found another composition, a lot closer to the bridge this time. I have the support and some of the piling. I kind of wanted the support at the bottom of the frame, but it included too much sky, so I put a little fall in, brought it down, so it eliminated the sky, and a little bit of water in front of the pilings. Hopefully, at least that's what it shows on the ground glass. f/32 again. Came out to 4 seconds again. Well, we'll see how it turns out when we develop them. expose 2 sheets on the bridge, drive around, take a look, see if I can expose 1 more sheet. At least I'll get some use out of my developer instead of just developing 2 sheets. I could at least do 3. If I can't find nothing to point the camera at, then so be it. No sense in wasting film. I'll move you over here. Alright. I'll have to check the film when I first started, but I think there was a deer here sniffing my Jeep while I was out taking pictures. Here, look at the tracks. They look brand new. I don't remember seeing them when I first got here. Alright, I think I found something. They don't always come out like you envision them. I got some gnarly trees over here. I'm going to set them up. There's 2 here, and then there's 2 closer in, and then there's 1 in the center. I'm going to kind of shift over, try to get it as best lined up as best I can. Sky's a little blue, so what I'm going to do is put a red filter in. Hopefully darken that up a little bit, get some contrast between the dead trees and the sky. I'll catch you in a few minutes. Okay, here goes nothing. We're at like 0.2 of a second. Sun came out. I was at 1 second. Sun came out. I had to remeter and speed it up a little bit. We'll find out when we get home if they've turned out.